It's Tuesday, it's Tuesday. It's Helpful Tip Tuesday. This is an ongoing series starting now. Today's series is about the iPhone and how you can get the best use out of it in the 2020 year. The benefits of this Helpful Tip Tuesday is that you're gonna transfer pictures quicker, save time at the checkout line, and you're gonna get better sleep. All right, let's get started. We're gonna use Airdrop. What you're gonna do is swipe up, or if you're on the new iPhones, you swipe down from the top. The top left square, do a 3D press, which is you press with pressure, and then a new menu opens up. All right, so once that's open, you're gonna go to the bottom left where it says Airdrop, click on that, make sure everybody's turned on. You're gonna wanna turn that off later so that random people don't drop you beautiful selfies, okay? Now that you have Airdrop turned on, get in a circle with all your friends who have photos with you and do an Airdrop Circle. Let's open up our photos and then go to your beautiful selfies. At the top right, click select, and then we're gonna click and swipe. Choose all the photos you want without tapping like a bird, like pecking at it, which is gonna take you years. We're in the 21st century, we're doing everything fast. All right, once you got all the photos selected, the bottom left has that little up arrow, tap on that, and then now you're just dropping on all of your friends. The other person on the other side of the phone has to accept. Only one drop at a time. Your friends can't be dropping, you can't cross drop. Drop as many photos as you want. This should take seconds and you'll be able to have photos from your friends instantly. Do this at the end of the day when you're done hanging out with your amazing selfie friends. All right, so tip number 2.
All right, tip number 2. You're gonna wanna open your Apple Wallet.
Excuse me. Open up your Apple Wallet. This is where you're gonna need your debit card and you're gonna put that in. Don't worry, you don't have to sign up for anything. Your information is safe with Apple. Go to your Apple Wallet, and in here, you click at the top right, and that's where you add a card. Now that you have your Apple Wallet synced to your debit card, voila, you're at the checkout line. All you need to do is scan your finger or your face if you have an advanced phone, which I don't have yet. This is the best way. Also, you can forget your wallet at home. It doesn't have to be right next to you. All right, lastly for the tip number 3, we're gonna swipe up or swipe down from the top left if you have the newer iPhone, and we're gonna go to brightness. This is where you're gonna do a 3D press, which is with pressure, and you're gonna turn on night shift mode and set that to be at 8 p.m. so that at night you have better sleep because your eyes are not as engaged with the phone. You'll see how your eyes are relaxed. Show your friends, your iguana, your grandma, and your plant. That's it for my Helpful Tip Tuesday. Thanks for watching. Stay crispy. Thanks.